Welcome back to my channel again. Keeping your Samsung apps updated, improve security, fixes bug and unlock the latest feature. In this 2026 guide, I will show you 2 easy way to update apps on your Samsung phone. Let's get started and keep everything running at its best today. First of all, I am using the Google Play Store method. So open the Google Play Store app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your current Google account. After that, look at the top right corner. Here you can find your Google account profile icon. Click to open it. After the page is open, scroll down a little. Look for the Manage Apps and Device option. Tap to open it. After that, here you can find the updates available section. Click on the see details button to open it and check what app is update available. Here you can see all of the update available apps listed there, such as OneWeather, Gboard, Gmail, Microsoft Copilot, Notion. If another app, if your phone is here, for example, if you want to update the Gmail app, simply tap on the update button next to their name. However, keep in mind, if you decide to update all of the apps at one click, don't panic. This option is also available. This time you can find the update all button at the top. Simply hit that button and wait to complete the updating process. There are also another way. If you want to update your Samsung Galaxy built-in apps, this also not be available in Play Store. Don't worry, this to do it also available there. This time I am using the Galaxy Store app. So open the Galaxy Store app on your Samsung phone. After that, go to the menu bar at the very bottom. Here you can find the updates option or button at the very top. Click to open them and wait to open it. After that, here you can see the all of update available app listed there. Simply, if you decide to update one single app, simply tap on the update button next to their name. For example, I am update Samsung Notes app, to tap on this button. And that's it. You can see the app is automatically start updating. However, if you decide to at the same way, if you want to update all of the Samsung apps at one click, don't panic. This is available your phone. But wait to complete the one app update. After that, here you can find the update all button at the top of the menu bar on your phone. Once you found the button, simply hit them and wait to complete the all of update process, and that's it. This time my phone is show up update all button at the very top. Simply click on it and it's starting automatically update Samsung built-in apps. That's it. Thanks for watching. If these two methods help, like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Samsung tips and guides and easy tech tutorial. Bye, take care everyone.